that growl, we need that rumble. This isn't loud enough. This is stock though. She rides nice, she got a lot of oomph. Okay, so here's the next part. This is the next day. I got it all buttoned up. This is what it looks like in the daylight. From the black to the chrome. Don't look bad with the new Vance Hines Eliminator 300s on there. That exhaust can breathe now, so you're going to hear for this first time what it sounds like along with me. So let's hear it, shall we? Boom, boom. Let's start her up. So here we go. This is what it sounds like for the first time. I'm going to start her up right now. Hopefully you'll be able to hear it good here, but I'll move the camera so you can hear it from different points, and I'll give you a walk around as well. Here we go. Alright, I just got around to wanting to wrap up my final review here. I put on the Vance Hines 300 Eliminators on my 2021 Harley Street Bob. That's the way that it looks. I think it came out pretty good. What do you think? Here, let's put that out. You know, even though the stock black cover, and I thought it was going to go over the pipes too, it don't look bad with that little bit of chrome on there. I mean, if you want it all blacked out, that's one thing, but then again, this bike's not all blacked out to begin with. It does have its chrome accents on there, the nice polished hubs and the spokes. So and what I did is I put a little upgrades on the grips as well, you know. And I think those little accents of chrome here and there with the black make it look pretty sharp. All right. Now, how does it sound? Well, you want to hear? It does sound a lot better. All right, let's start her up. Make sure she's neutral. And sounds like a Harley now, that's for sure. So now it's not annoyingly loud, but it's loud enough over the stock ones, which are whisper quiet, and nobody could hear when you're coming by. It does give you that nice farting sound too when you're getting off of the gas.